I'll go ahead and open this public hearing. This is the second public hearing on the proposal to increase tax revenues for the coming budget year. The statute requires us to set a tax rate that will cover our budget. Our budget, we elected to only cover the M&O budget, and the rest of the budget will come out of the capital budget will come out of our reserve. But it was necessary to leave the tax rate on the M&O at 31.3, which was the overall tax rate last year. And in addition to that, we had to set a tax rate of 0.0278 to cover the bonded indebtedness at the hospital expansion. At this time, we take any comments from any citizens.
I got a little problem on the money that we're spending on what I call entertainment. There's a golf course, the amphitheater, the expo center, all this. These items, like to me, should be paid by the people that uses it. And here we got around $340,000. What I went kind of added up, I just got this budget this morning, and I may have made a mistake on the numbers, but it's somewhere around $340,000 we're spending on this.
Well, of course, some people would call libraries entertainment. Some people would call Citizen Center entertainment. You know, you have different pies. You just cut it up in pies. We're spending that on tourism, which is, you know, supplementing this economy quite a bit. You know, the city's hotel motel tax went over $100,000 this last quarter, mainly because we have expos and amphitheaters during golf courses. That's just part of the pie, sir. You know, it's you service different citizens. You're a citizen that don't have any need for those. You know, I think your store may have some need for some of those to get people in, but it's just part of the pie. You know.
It's awful expensive pie. Once people that run the thing start getting the monies to pay for it themselves, a lot of this expense they put in.
Well, you have to pay your employees.
Well, I understand that, but if we're not making enough out there to pay the employee, we're in bad shape. If I run a business like that, it wouldn't work.
I think you'll find most tourism operations are not for profit. You know, it brings it in to people like yourself that have businesses there, and that's what it's designed for. Bring people into the community, and they spend money in the cafes, the convenience stores, the gas stations. That's the reason I guess we've got 5 hotels here now. You know, it's part of that. Yes, ma'am.
I have a comment that's not about the taxes, and I'm wondering if I came to the wrong meeting.
No, it'll be at the end of this hearing, then we'll open our regular meeting, and you'll have an opportunity to under citizen comments.
Thank you.
Yes. Anyone else? You get your phone off my desk. Steve?
Sir, thank you.
If there are no other comments, I'll close this public hearing. It's 9:36.